Are you a blogger who needs an easy solution to create visuals and content for your blog? You can use Studio to easily add text to images for cover photos, banners, tutorials, guides, how-tos, and more. Let's create a couple of cover photos for a homepage. You can choose a size that suits your page, but I'll just use the standard 1200 pixel square for now. Let's create a visual promoting classical fonts for crafters, but you can adapt the techniques shown in this tutorial for the visuals that suit your content. Let's find a background image from one of the stock photos in Studio, something glittery and classy. Then add a text field and style your fonts, mixing styles and sizes for contrast. Then let's add some elements from the graphics panel to add some more detail to the image. I like to experiment with different assets to find what works best for the design. When adding in graphic elements, you can lower their opacity to blend them with the background. Let's create one more design, this time promoting a how-to or a tutorial page on how to get started with embroidery. This design took a bit of experimenting and playing around with to get right. First, I added some photos I found in the Stock Images tab in Studio. Angle these at the bottom of the design to allow space at the top for some text. Next, add in your text, playing around with different fonts and styles to create a separation between the main title and subtitle. I experimented with adding different graphics and backgrounds to tie the images together, but overall found I was cluttering the design and making it a bit too busy. So in the end, I opted to simplify it by removing the third image and choosing a background that tonally paired with the images better. Making the text all white helped, as there is less competition between the two elements. Lastly, I added a couple of simple lines around the photos to create a border, resulting in a nice, cohesive design that is clear and eye-catching. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.